All right, so what's up, y'all? It's Nick here. I'm back shooting videos again. It's like my 20th time saying this, but there's some new additions to the car family. So I'm gonna be making a bunch of videos. So first one is gonna be on what's wrong with the 350. Right now the 350 is having an issue. We have I crank it up. I'm gonna have a whole story on it, but basically the 350 needs to be fixed. I got a truck now that needs to be sort of fixed, and then now we got the Lexus, which is also pretty dope. So basically I got a bunch of car videos to shoot, and it's gonna be like crazy. And the main goal is basically, this is like a quick update. So 350Z is dead. I started up, it dies right away. I'm assuming it's the alternator. We're going to talk about that in a whole nother video. The truck, I literally bought it before I went on the trip. I went out to Turkey. It was pretty dope. The truck actually just overheated as soon as I got back in the country yesterday. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try to fill it with some radiator fluid and let it run for a little bit, and then if it works, I'm going to drive it all the way back up to the apartment. And then the Lexus, that's a whole deal in its own. So we got a lot of content, we got a lot of stuff to shoot. I want to rewrap the car. Also thinking about picking up a 350Z shell. I want to do a build, so that's another 350. And we're working on getting a house, and we're still trying to pick on the area and all that. So because the apartment, I got lucky, they let me do whatever I want there, but I'm not going to try to push it too much. So I can park all the cars together, but I don't know if I can do too much work out there. So I'm trying to do everything here before I take it back up there. So if I can get the truck running today, I can get a 350 running today. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try to get back up there. So let's see how everything goes.